guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa, or Hey Melissa Love, and this video is going to be a lot different than anything I've ever posted on here. This is kind of the original reason I started YouTube, was to do like studio vlogs or art vlogs like every month or every 2 or 3 months, just kind of documenting my progress and keeping you guys updated on what I'm working on. I've actually filmed 2 of these and I deleted both of them and I never posted them. I think it was just really hard trying to film myself while also creating. It really messed with my brain and messed with the whole process. And I'm still gonna document my trips, like my Disney trips and other things that inspire me, because a lot of things inspire me. And I didn't plan this, but I got a package today. I got a new iPad. My other iPad I got in 2017 or 2018, and before that I hadn't consistently drawn or practiced drawing in like over 10 years, so that really helped me so much. It was just convenient for me to draw anywhere and keep up with it. So I got a bigger iPad with more space so I can do more stuff on it. She's so pretty. One thing I'm kind of bummed about, and it's not like a big deal, but it is a big deal. I ordered a case. That's my old iPad in the background. It's a light purple lilac case. Well, I ordered another lilac case to fit this new iPad. This is like a muted gray. This is not me. Like, it's fine. I'll just keep looking. I might return this and just keep looking for a pastel case. Anyways, I'm gonna set up my iPad and try to shop for some more cases. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so pretty. I want one of these kits so bad. Look how cute that is. Oh my god, there's a mermaid one. Oh my god. I did one of these when I was a kid and it was a unicorn. I want one. They're 40% off too for Labor Day. And they're 40% off for Memorial Day. This reminds me of the tiger from Lisa Frank. It's so cute. He like just sat on the bed like he wants to be in the video. I think I finally got together a few of the round like Spaceship Earth inspired paintings I've been working on for like the last 2 years. I have 4 of these, I think, I'm gonna put in my Etsy probably in the next couple days. I still need to take pictures of them, and I need to kind of sand the back of it so it's not so harsh. I've been like working on these for 2 years to like perfect them so that they look nice enough to sell. One thing I really wanted to do was do like a signature or like some kind of something on the back that's not just like me writing my signature, but something kind of cute. I bought these little heart molds on Amazon, and I want to fill them with like color and glitter and somehow put my name inside. I'm not really sure yet. I'll figure that out. And I got this heart confetti at Joann's on Saturday. So I think I'm gonna put some of this in the heart molds somehow with my signature. I don't know. It's taken me so long to do these because I really didn't know what I was doing. I've never done like a flat resin pour. I've normally just done like resin molds. But yeah, I've had to throw away a few of these because bugs got in them. That's why I got those little picnic covers or whatever. So yeah, it's taken me like 2 years to finally make these cute little guys, and hopefully I want to do some different ones. I want to do, I don't know, like different colors or different, like I really want to do a Saturn. Like I want to do like a rainbow pastel Saturn. I just don't know how to do the rings, but I'll figure that out. I'm gonna sand them and take some pictures of them, and I will keep you guys updated when they're in my Etsy. So these 3 will be in my shop. They're almost finished. I just have to sand them. But these 2, I'm gonna show you what happened to these. Like this one, I didn't do the face like sharp enough. And also the resin was this like cheaper resin I got off Amazon, and I was experimenting with it and it does not work as good. So yeah, this is why it's taking me so long to get everything like just right. And I try to use different washi tape. Like this one's kind of like these little tiny circles, and that one's kind of similar, and this one is like sparkly washi tape, and that one too. And I use different glitter on some of them. Some of them have different glitter. This one has like triangle glitter and this one has like sparkly glitter. So yeah, here are all my little babies, and I'm still hoping I can like fix these 2. I don't know, I love their little faces like that, so maybe I can put resin, like another coat of resin on top and salvage those, but they're all so cute together. I forgot to film this when I was sitting at my desk, but I have an update on my iPad case. Remember that old like gray purple one that I thought was like pastel purple? Well, I got a cute mint case, except it actually looks kind of aqua. Like it looks like the color of my wall, which I like better. So you just never know ordering stuff on Amazon or online, period. So now all of these do have a little backing so you can hang them on the wall. I kind of wish these were like iridescent or something. Remember those little heart things that I showed y'all earlier? I'm gonna make those little charms to go on the back of my paintings with some glitter and maybe like sign the back of it. I don't know how it's gonna work, but hopefully it looks cute. And here all of them are all finished, the 3 that I sold. I can probably take these out. I just have these in there to help me know which one was which when I was filming them, but I don't need those anymore.